Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Price movement on this one all over the place today. And on top of that, you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume the chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So first level of support to keep an eye on, right down here around the 75-cent mark. And that's what I'd consider the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what's going to make this chart look the best going forward? That would definitely be holding up above 75. And I should also note that there is perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? If you are a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here and you wanted to sell within 10 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, I get it. The chart looks pretty bad. So I may sound crazy calling some things bullish, but keep in mind, my perspective that I'm talking about the chart from is from more so an overall big picture type viewpoint. So again, if I sound crazy calling things bullish, my guess would probably be you were some sort of day trader that bought a little bit higher than what you should have. So with that out of the way, we'll hop back into it. So 75 cents, that would be that ideal area of support. But taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 75 would be great. However, grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? First level of resistance, I would consider more so the shorter term one right there around 85 cents. If the price can break above 85, potentially a little stumbling block right around 87. But after that, basically a short-term blue sky breakout, because the next levels aren't until up around the dollar mark. Now, am I saying that if 85 and 87 are broken, that within 10 minutes the price is going to be up around $1? I'm not quite saying that, but technically speaking, as far as the distances between areas of support, things could certainly get interesting if the price can get back up above the 85, 87 mark. So yeah, we'll see how things unfold, but definitely a pretty volatile start to the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.